In our free course, you have seen the basics, markers, shapes, and simple map interactions. But in the full course, you will dive deep, building fully interactive applications with autocomplete search, real-time directions, route planning, nearby place search, and advanced map customizations. You can search for places with autocomplete, get step-by-step directions, search for nearby restaurants, cafes, ATMs, and also integrate real-time weather API. With practical coding examples, you will learn to build maps like a pro, from drawing shapes to integrating multiple APIs seamlessly. Join the full Google Maps course today and unlock the full potential of your web applications. Start building smarter, interactive maps.